hopefully you guys got some value out of that. What we like to do here as we wrap the show up is we want to talk about what we refer to as the Whissel widget of the week. And this is something that we are utilizing in our business that either saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. So Bryan, what is your widget this week?
So my widget came out of necessity. I've been working with my media team in the office. Sometimes we're transferring large files back and forth when we're editing videos or anything like that. We're initially all planned to do it, but then I run out of time and say, hey, Tom, I need you to edit this video. Well, Dropbox is great, but when I say, hey, I need you to edit this by the end of the day, and I'm uploading 60 gigs of data, that's not the best solution. Thumb drives are great, but if I recorded a 30-minute video in HD, it's going to be larger than the thumb drive can allow. I think it allows up to 4 or 8 gigs max file size. So I just got a small portable SSD, solid state drive. And so it's just like a hard drive. It's basically a big thumbnail. Nope. Thumb drive. Shut up.
Save that clip.
Shut up. It's basically a big thumb drive. So you get the best of the thumb drive aspect of it, meaning it's solid state. You can shake it up. You can drop it. It's not going to break your spinning disk. Don't drop it, though. But it's also gets the benefit of a hard drive where you get much larger sizes. I think this is 500 gigs, and I got it for like $100. So this I'm able to transfer. It's USB 3.0, so it transfers really fast. I'm able to transfer a ton of data, give it over to Tom or Chad or Koci, and they're able to edit things really quickly rather than, yeah, I'll get it over to you 45 minutes later on a hard drive or whatever. So that's my widget of the week.
All right. I'm glad that we've got that thumbnail.
Cool. Good job. I messed up one word. Thanks.
I would
Thumbnail.
never just like hang on one person's mess up like that. I don't do that. I'm not that kind of guy. All right. Mine also comes out of necessity. If you are an extremely high D like I am on the disc profile, you have a very, very short attention span. And oftentimes you find yourself needing to do multiple things at once. Otherwise, you get super fidgety and restless. And so this is a fun one. I actually got this fun little tool here from my boy Tom Ferry. This is known as a fidget spinner. And for those of you that are extremely high Ds that have a tendency to be on a Zoom with somebody and then have to feel the need to have your phone in your hand and to be playing with your phone while you're on a Zoom with somebody, or while you're on a phone call with somebody, you've got to play around with a pen or something like that. This fidget spinner has helped my sanity a lot.
Or if you have a 3-year-old daughter, it's a great tool.
Yeah, it works for 3-year-olds and 38-year-olds. It's great. This thing is something that really helps. It helps me feel complete, because when you have a hard time paying attention to things and you would like to do 10 things at once, it's better that you'd be playing with a fidget spinner than playing on your phone while you're on a Zoom or in a conversation with somebody. So if you just need something to help you out, you're feeling a little fidgety, get you a fidget spinner.
Can you do any fidget tricks?
No, I done broke this thing. Like, it's falling apart.
So Kyle needs a new fidget spinner. If you want to be Kyle's best friend, get him a 1,000-pack from Alibaba. It's going to cost you $14,
and it'll be here in 6 months.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you got a lot of value out of the show. If you have questions you'd like us to answer on the show, just go to thewhisselway.com, join our Facebook group through there, and that's where you will ask your questions. While there, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our podcast, and find out about upcoming Media Mayor Mastermind events that we have going on. Hopefully we'll have some in-person events before the year is over.
Hopefully.
I hear there's some cities that are already allowing larger gatherings. So I'm feeling pretty good about us getting one in before the year's over, before Bryan has his little baby.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, pretty exciting. So go to thewhisselway.com to make that happen. Outside of that, I hope you guys got a lot of value out of the show today. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. We'll talk to you next week.
See you guys.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.